Hello students, I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today in this video we are going to talk about web technology. So what is web technology? Everything which is running on the web is known as web technology. Web technology refers to the websites you can say and www also. So in this video we are going to cover two main topics, which is web 2.0 and XHTML. These two topics are very much important for every university examination, or if you are preparing for government jobs. So in competitive examination these two topics are also important because a lot of questions arises from these two topics. So let's talk about first of all what is web 2.0. A web 2.0 refers to the second generation of World Wide Web. As everything got refined every time, so it happens with the web also. First generation was web 1.0, then web 2.0, then web 3.0, then web 4.0. So this is the process of new generation of on the previous generation, you can say. So what is the web 2.0? First, it refers to the second generation. You must have to remember, it refers to the second generation of the web, which is a shift from read-only website to a dynamic web pages. Okay, what do you mean by read-only page? In web 1.0, when we refers to any website or web, then we can only get the information from the websites or web pages, but we cannot interact with them. But in dynamic web page, what are the facilities? We can interact with the web pages. We can put our content on the web page. So interactivity become very enhanced in web 0.0. Social connectivity also there in web 2.0, and user generated contents are there. So web 2.0 is completely, you can say, a shift from read only websites to a dynamic user generated content, interactivity and social connectivity. It emphasizes on collaboration where user create content. Means web 2.0 refers to the place where user can generate their own content, and instead of only viewing the web page, instead of only looking at the web page, instead of only searching the web page and getting content from the web page, user now able to put their content on the web page. This is the power of web 2.0. User able to share information, participate in virtual communities via platforms like social media, wikis and blogs. You must know about different types of social media. Social medias are the part of web 2.0 which are not there in web 1.0. Okay. Now, features of web 2.0. What are the feature? Feature refers to the qualities of the web page. So web 2.0 has different features like read and write web. Means with the help of web 2.0 you are able to write something on the web page. User participants, means user interaction and participation become very easy. User can participate in different programs, in writing content on the web page, in uploading something on the web page, posting something on the web page, and writing comments on the content available on the web page. So different types of user participation are increased and started in web 2.0. Dynamic content. Dynamic content means user can create their own content, and content on the web page can be modified. This is called dynamic content. Social media interaction and collaboration means user can connect with their friends, their colleagues on the website, on the web page. Web application, there are also a lot of web applications are there. What used to happen initially, when we need to use any application, then we download the setup file and we install those setup file in our computer, and then we work on that and we used to access that software. But as web 2.0 comes, everything becomes online. In web application, whatever application you used to at computer in a stand-alone mode, you can use those application on dynamic mode, means on the web application on the web directly. These all are the part of SAS. SAS stand for software as a service. Now interoperability. Interoperability refers to the web one page can be connected to another page and user can directly refer from one page to another page. This is also become interoperability, and a lot of web can be connected together. This is the part of interoperability. So these are the features of web 2.0. Next, the evolution of the web, how it gets evolved, what are the starting point and what are the ending points. Means when evaluation takes place, there is no fixed point, neither starting point nor ending point. Evolution is a continuous process. So there is a timeline. We can say first comes web 1.0 and then web 2.0, and then it's come web 3.0, and then web 4.0, and then 5.0. So if you talk about timeline, the web 1.0 comes in 1991 and its period was 1991 to 2004. But 2004, it doesn't mean that it has stopped at 2004. It means it is replaced by new version. Something new has been added, and as the something new has been added in the previous one, that becomes the new version of the previous one. Okay, like web 2.0 comes in 2004, means it doesn't mean that it started in 2004 only. It may be started previously, but a drastic change comes in 2004 and it is running up to the present. At present 2.0 is running because whatever the features of 2.0, we are using all those features today. Web 3.0, present and future, it refers to present and future, means it will refer to different types of things like robotics and AI, a lot of things that we will cover in the next coming video. And then come web 4.0 and web 5.0. So if we talk about web 1.0, then it started in 1991 to 2004 and it is also known as read-only web. Who give the name read-only web? Then you can say in the last line, you can see here the first updated version of web represent web 1.0, which Berners-Lee refers to as the read-only web. Like a Tim Berners-Lee given the name 2.0 to the web 1.0. Okay, it focuses on information consumption only. Yani ki into 1.0 information consumption was most important. Static pages were there and personal websites were there. What are the characteristics of this web 1.0? Users could only read content, means user able to read the content on the web page only. User not able to put any content or post any comments or any type of content. No interactivity, no user generated content were there in 1.0. Okay, so you must have to remember web 1.0 refers to read only web. You can see this picture. There is a webmaster and there is a website, and these are the users. Webmaster is able to create a web pages or websites. He will be responsible to create web page only, but users will access the data which is posted by webmaster. Okay, so this is known as read only web. Now web 2.0, web 2.0, you can say its time is from 2004 to present because it is running right now. It is also known as read only read write web. It is known as read write web. The main focus of this web is interactivity, social networking and user generated content. Yani ki it means it in read write web, in web 2.0, interactivity becomes very easy. Social networking comes and user can generate their own content on the web page. The main characteristics of these websites where blogs, user can create their blogs, social media, user can connect with their colleagues through social media, and web applications also. These are the part of web applications. You can see in the picture like there is a webmaster, and these are the users and internet surfers who are also contributors. This user may be also internet surfers and contributors. So a user becomes user becomes able to post their content on the web pages in web 2.0. Okay, you can say this is also known as the era we live in today. And now web 3.0, This represents present and future. It is also known as read, write, own wave. You must have to remember wave 1.0 refers to read only, wave 2.0 refers to read and write, and wave 3.0 refers to read, write, own wave. Okay. The main focus of this wave is decentralization, blockchain technology, and AI, whatever we are using today. The main characteristics of this wave is semantic wave, data ownership, and personalized experience. Means own means data ownership becomes very easy. Means if I am posting my data, then I become the owner of that data only. Okay, this become wave 3.0. These are the part of wave 3.0. And what is semantic wave? Then semantic wave refers to wave 3.0 is an extension of World Wide Web that enables computer to understand, interpret, and process web content by adding machine interpretable metadata. Means here machine able to interpret the data, computer able to understand and process the data. So semantic wave refers to 3.0 where data is processed by the computer with the help of artificial intelligence. Like we are using, if you are using different types of AI, like Gemini, you are using ChatGPT, you are using DeepSeek, you are using different types of AI we can use today. So when we search content on that, then on the basis of searching content, they provide us result and filtered result. This is interpretation. Okay, this is interpretation. And semantic waves has some core standard which is defined by W3C, World Wide Web Consortium. And these core standards are RDF, which is known as Resource Description Framework, OWL, which is known as Web Ontology Language, and Spark Query Language. These three are the core standard of semantic wave. Now, future trends means it refers to wave 4.0 and wave 5.0. These are the part of future trends because you can say this is existing, but it has got a foundation today, but this is not completely. It will continue in the future. Wave 3.0 obviously also continue in the future, and wave 2.0 maybe continue in the future also. So wave 4.0 refers to basically, it is known as symbiotic wave. Must be remember, wave 3.0 refers to symbolic and wave 4.0 refers to symbiotic, which is focused on intelligence. Here the main focus of this wave is intelligence, AI driven and highly interactive user experience, which was there in 3.0 got refinement in this 4.0. Okay, and wave 5.0 emerging concept aiming for an emotion decentralization wave. Means whatever you can see, you can sense, everything can be seen and sensed by the machine also. Machine may have emotions in 5.0. Okay, so 5.0 becomes main and machine will work together in any kinds of environment, you can see. So symbiotic wave refers to as a 4.0 represent the next generation of the internet. Means whatever internet you can see today, how important it is, and what types of problem it can solve, you can see right now. So if it becomes next generation of internet, then that becomes out of our thought, you can say a lot of things will be there and everything we can do on the internet, where AI driven, highly personalized and intelligent system operate in partnership with users. What were the features of symbiotic wave? Intelligence and interaction. There will be intelligence in the system, human machine partnership, human machine will work together, ubiquitous connectivity, means user can connect to each other, network can connect to each other, internet can connect to each other, different types of devices can connect to each other. Means we will able to connect everything, and on the basis of sense, you can say the use of sensors will be there. Like when we enter into the room, the light will get on. This is called ubiquitous connectivity. When we will go near the car, the gate will open. This is called ubiquitous connectivity. Okay, personalization and immersive experience will be there in symbiotic web. Okay, now there are some parts of there are many parts of web 2.0 which we are running, which we are learning right now and which is running right now. So you have to remember, in web 1.0 there is only read only web pages. It refers to read only. Web 2.0 refers to read and write. Web 3.0 refers to symbolic. 3.0 refers to semantic, sorry, not symbolic, semantic web, and web 4.0 refers to symbiotic web, and web 5.0 refers to future trends and emotion. Okay, now there are many important terms which are related to web 2.0. as we are learning 2.0 and we are focusing on 2.0. there are a lot of terms which comes under web 2.0, like search engine. You know, it is a basic method to search anything on the internet. It is a kind of software which uses web crawlers and indexing method to search anything like Google, Bing, Yahoo, etc. Next, content network, a platform like distribute digital media content, video streaming and content sharing like YouTube, Netflix, and Amazon Prime. A lot of video websites are there which provides content network. Next, blogging. We know weblog means if we are writing anything on the web, that is called blogging. You can see Google blog, WordPress. These will be the examples. And online journal and information, whatever we are doing online and writing online in the form of journal, and to share anything in the form of information, these all are the part of blogging. Next, social networking. This is also part of 2.0. Online platform for building relationship. This is the best way to create different types of relationship and build a relationship, you can say, to connect different types of people and your colleagues, your childhood friends, to everyone you can connect using social networking. It comes in web 2.0. It helps profile creation and messaging like Facebook, LinkedIn, and supports professional and personal network. Social media. So media for social interaction. It also helps to connect with the society. It provides different types of platform like Instagram, Twitter, and others that helps you to connect with the society, where you write the text, post videos, images. These all are the part of web 2.0. Now, rich internet connected applications like RIA. This is also the part of 2.0, where user can use desktop like features on the web application. Means whatever you are doing on your computer with the help of different types of standalone software, you can do all those things on the internet. This is the part of rich application internet. A rich internet application, like if you are using offline MS Word and you are writing some content in this and you are saving, same thing you can do on the Google Docs. या फिर online MS Word, you can do the same things. Okay, so whatever you were doing and you are doing on the desktop in offline mode, everything you can do on the web in online mode. This is called RIA, a rich internet application. Now, AJAX refers to asynchronous JavaScript and XML. Asynchronous refers to background data loading, where JavaScript refers to client-side scripting language and XML refers to extensible markup language. These things are the part of Web 2.0, which helps to create these types of websites that makes a user interactive. And web services also provided. Different types of web services also provided in Web 2.0, like communication between applications over internet, SOAP, simple object access model, REST, representational state transfer, and used in application program interface. So these all are the part of Web 2.0. 2.0. There are also a lot of APIs which used in 2.0. API stand for application program interface, that allows communication between software systems. If there are a lot of software, so to communicate between two software, if you want to communicate with two software, between two software, you can say, so you need an API. And API are the part of web 2.0 which is running on the web, like payment gateway integration. Okay, if you are doing payment, then if a payment is getting out from your account and getting in the recipient account, but there is a payment gateway which is working as interface between these two accounts, which is an API. Now, introduction to XHTML. So I think this video becoming very long, so in next video we will learn about introduction to XHTML. We will complete cover XHTML in the next video. I hope you have understand the concept whatever I want to tell you. So if you like this video, must share it and subscribe the channel, and provides your love. Thank you. Have a nice day.